One of my big challenges being involved in precision ag is that we have to sort through all the new products that come out every year and separate the wheat from the chaff when it comes to bringing the new ideas and the new innovative products to you guys. I'm Keith Byerly, Precision Ag Manager at Central Valley Ag, and this is your Precision Focus. So when it comes to simple ideas, one of the pieces of equipment that's been neglected on our farm for a long time is our corn head. 360 Yield Center this year is out to give that thing some attention that it finally deserves. So we've got two innovative products now for our corn head that I want to talk about today. The first one of these is our 360 Yield Saber. This is a very simple unit that goes in place of our gathering chains on our combine. The idea behind this is that instead of our corn coming down and slapping those deck plates and getting pushed up by the gathering chains, it lands on these brushes. And when I say brushes, think of that brush that's inside of your vacuum meter. It's very much the same material that goes along that route. When the corn comes down and hits this, instead of hitting the deck plates, we get less head loss. When we've got dry corn, we get less shattering. And when we have those nubbins out there, those are drawn up into the head instead of falling through that deck plate and going through our roller. At the end of the day, this product, as it's been tested this summer already down in the harvest in Texas, has shown that we've got about 80% less head loss than we do with traditional gathering chains. I think that this offers us an opportunity, maybe not on every single field that we have, but definitely on our farms as a whole, to see an immense return. Because if you think about it, a 90,000 kernel count roughly equals 1 bushel of seed. And as we break that down over 1 acre, that means about 2 kernels per square foot equal 1 bushel. Now, I think most of our fields, we have far less going on than that, but we definitely have those times and those hybrids when our head loss is much more than that. And this is a product for you corn on corn guys that could really help reduce some of the volunteer corn coming back that next season. The other product I want to talk about is Chain Roll by 360 Yield Center. This is a product that's been out for more than a year now. It simply replaces stock rollers on that corn head with a piece that doesn't crimp, it doesn't cut. But the idea is it leaves our residue in longer pieces, but it breaks that residue open far more places as it goes along and introduces a lot more spots for microbial activity to start on that residue. So by the time we hit August of the next summer or July of that next summer, our residue is broke down 3 to 4 times more than it is with a traditional knife or roller corn head. At the end of the day, again, a very simple product. It doesn't take a lot of extra horsepower. It doesn't take any modifications to that corn head to go out there, but definitely something that people need to look at and decide if it's right for their operation. Both of these products should be very easy for you to understand when you take a look at them on YouTube and look at what they are and what they can do. And I think in either case, the ROI on them is so ridiculously good that by the time we get done with harvest this year, it's putting money back in your pocket. If you have any questions about Chain Roll or about Yield Saver, get a hold of myself or any of the ACS equipment techs. We'll be happy to teach you more about the product.